done it. Look at this.
I think it is leg.
You guys, a taste house.
What about you?
We could have stayed here. Are you not going? Because of all the greenery, you can see it. But I think
Here, we're almost there.
no, if we would stay here for 3-4 months or 7 months or 1 year, then it had to be 7 months because the owner sold the house suddenly. And then that's why we are now staying in these caravans, which is also coming to an end because they are selling these caravans.
Yeah.
And this is what they were renovating.
Yeah, there.
Nice. But they haven't done anything with our house, I think.
We're home. This was home actually. Okay.
But
It felt home.
it felt home, our place. They're both home, the neighbors.
The house has not been done yet, I guess.
Slam dunk, are you ready to meet me? Say you want to feel like a lion.
This is already done. Look at this.
Yeah, that was our house there. That's our
Day was still here.
storage. Of
First
course,
door.
I guess.
Even that ugly.
Close.
Hey, why don't you go there?
We go that way? Come, we sneak.
Even that ugly thing is still there, the green thing.
Oh. There's a lot of pieces and stuff. Oh, hold on.
Almost stumble. So nobody's here, I
Even
guess.
the carpet in the storage is still same.
Yeah.
I don't think they've changed anything.
You wanna go this way?
Oh, Mama, because
Yeah, because of the doors. Sorry.
The one that we used is still here. Let's see what happened here at the garden, maybe. Oh. By the way, we're coming to the end of this vlog. Are you gonna watch? I'll show it to somebody at home, of course.
They only put a new one.
Don't talk too much.
And they cut the tree where the bird was from.
Oh yeah. Nothing has changed. They had such renovation plans and everything, but I think it's empty. Hey, it seems empty, Vivien. They were in such a hurry.
Yeah.
No, there's nobody staying here. They're still renovating. We could have stayed here. My goodness, they were in such a hurry. We even paid the owner 1,000 extra so we could leave and we got that money. Seriously. Oh, new kitchen. Oh, they put a stone there. Wow. Oh, that was maybe underneath. Oh, they have new doors. I think, yeah, new doors. Except for the bathroom.
Oh, yeah,
New kitchen.
New floor in the bedroom, right?
But I thought they would go there already.
No, probably.
This is there from the old,
We found the bathtub.
the bathtub. Can you imagine?
And the tree.
Yeah.
Where
Wow.
the
Yeah, they've not been very in a hurry then. Not very active. Here I think they're doing it themselves. But this is all rotten, needs to be replaced. But the kitchen is nice.
Very nice.
Yeah, nice kitchen. But they didn't break out the walls and everything. See? Oi! Oh, sad. What happened? Maybe a cat.
I think it is leg.
Oh yikes! Oh, see, it needs to eat. Don't! It's sad.
Give it food.
I'm not sure what to do.
What? Leo?
Leo's hearing you. Now, this is then where we stayed for 7 months. Hey, it's gonna rain. Hey, it's raining already. But except for a little bit inside, the most important things, like their renovating everything, has not been done. Now, hey, where's Abby? Okay, you have to put back the stone. There. And then, oh, just with your hand, I think. With your hand is very fine.
They threw it away. Would be
Yeah, you can. No, you want to see? Okay, Mama is
Used it. Nee, it's still there.
even our cupboard still there.
This one is ours.
No. So, how do you feel?
I feel funny that we're back here.
Yeah, but also that the house is completely different now, eh? There's no furniture and everything anymore. Oh, let's see the front. Hey, don't forget already to put up your thumbs. So it's here. Ding, 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 ding. Hmm? Yeah, the cupboard is gone. Much better. Yeah. And the entrance here? No, nothing has changed. The sushi is still there. Leo is there? Hello, Leo. Go there. Hello, Leo. Abby is afraid. Hello, Leo. Hello, Leo. Hello. Hello. Yes, we're going home. Bye-bye, Leo. Let's go. Oh, here they've also done something here, painted everything, but still. Oh, and there's a window here. Oh yeah. Are you not going?
And okay, we are going to stop for a little while. I'm gonna pick up some stuff in the Aldi here.
We used to do some grocery shopping here as well, eh?
We are already in Hardenberg where we are staying, so
Yeah.
yep.
So how was that being back at the house?
Interesting. I've said word.
And
Answer.
there was almost
Oh yeah.
a bird.
Yeah.
What happens?
We put the bird under a tree and
So we can die quietly.
He bit. The bird bit. Hold on Jedaiah's finger.
Yeah.
I put things there. I think birds eat the things.
Yeah, but I think it was in need of some water. You could have brought it.
Maybe if it rains, he could make that work.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
So we buy Satay's house and chlorine bleach. So I'll film a little bit and then we'll go. Go, son. Shopping with the small bombinos. Wait, I can't even shoot open. Alin Ancient. Do I have an sour cream and onion? Let's do a. Yeah, I know. No, not natural. Papa don't want natural. You want that one? Yeah, pick one. Nee, wacht even. Stay here. Wacht even, bak olie. Okay, they're gonna choose the favorite conditioner.
This one.
Careful, Jedaiah, don't spill it. Close it properly. And?
That's the same.
No, it's not.
That one.
39, this is 60. You're back.
Movie.
Laundry powder and peanut sauce.
Yeah,
And you have so much stuff.
and only. And a toilet paper to replace her stomach. It's not nice to come back and not do it. Hey, the last few days in this house. In the corner.
For now at least, yeah.
Yeah, it's nice. And the peanut sauce that you saw us buying will be used for our meatballs tonight. I don't know if you have had that one, meatballs with peanut sauce.
Yeah, not just one small meatballs, huh? Usually it's the big meatball, really like this.
Yeah.
And you eat it with peanut sauce. Balletje gehakt.
Yeah.
Balletje gehakt. Very delicious.
Have you had it?
Peanut sauce.
Meatballs with peanut
Meat-
sauce?
Balletje gehakt. Met satésaus.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
but
very
then-
usual
But the
here.
ones that we're gonna eat is the one already made. Already made, so it's not as nice as.
What do you mean, the ones we eat? The meatballs?
They're gonna eat.
Yeah, oh yeah. No, it's nice to make your own meatballs in there.
And yeah, door.
I'm wondering. Oh, yes, I have to open my door. Yeah. Okay, I'm still stuck in my seatbelt. Whew. Now, bring the bags that we brought along with us. And you have to do some editing. I have to do some cooking. Oh, my window.
And me and also some of the kids have to do some editing work. We're just going to prepare dinner, but you won't be seeing any of that because all of us will be busy.
See, there's still one more bag. Yeah.
And
tomorrow.
but we will show you
Oops.
tonight our evening snack. Let's go. Evening snack. Meatballs with wait. The
Oh,
seatbelt
seatbelt.
is there.
Okay. Now it still fell.
It's too ball.
That's what balls are.
Meatballs with
Stupid. Probably. Because yeah.
It's
Maybe he
3:30.
left already.
Is he back already?
He left maybe.
He left, yeah. Alrighty.
Hello, Moriah. No, I'm gonna make some
See you later.
drinks.
Later that same evening.
Meatballs, but these are not made by us, eh? They're already made. So this is already prepared peanut sauce, but maybe the peanut sauce needs some sambal.
You just put sambal in your bowl.
Yeah, okay. I'm sure Moriah wants sambal. No, wait for a while. Peanut sauce.
Her way of coping
And
there.
watching the
Her way
series.
of making people look after her, and she just continued that behavior after her release. And when she hit her
She just
head,
forgot who she was pretending to be? That's crazy.
it's infinitely more possible that
No, these are very fatty French fries. Oh my goodness. But it's not just fat, it is also gravy. Very disturbing.
Tong.
Very disturbing. What is this thing?
Tong.
Oh, what?
Tong. Cozy there.
What is it? Methadone?
Nah, never mind.
know.
Put this away. This is also the wrong one, I think.
Everybody have already, right?
Look, I'm just trying to be simpatico here. Don't be a
Okay.
dick.
Pause.
Sometime. There's no way around that. They got you two ways.
Clock balloches break.
Are you bound by attorney-client privilege?
There goes the
Peanut sauce.
peanut sauce.
If you want more, but that's a very small meatball.
Yeah, usually they have big ones here. But they eat it.
Small, big, small.
Evie! Oh, I just missed it.
I'll take this one.
No.
Okay, enjoy.
Yeah, you one of the small ones.
You want
No,
more?
she
You
does.
want
This is
more,
yours. This is yours.
You want more?
Oh, yeah, this is
Sauce?
mine.
Because it's
Okay, you
needs
can have
to-
my
it
one.
needs to have a lot of sauce actually. So this is
Never had that?
What?
Meatballs with satay sauce?
Of course you have.
Yeah.
of course if you are Dutch, no, maybe not them.
You tried
If
already?
you are Dutch, you have eaten this. But
Try to
this-
take some
you
fork.
can buy this at any French fry snack bar. They have a meatball, gehaktbal met satay sauce. There's not any snack bar, it doesn't matter. Always nice. But you need to have a lot of sauce.
Meatballs? What about you?
So how was it to have seen the house that we stayed in for 7 months? Ayo, Hoshaiah.
Hot, hot.
Don't film him.
I saw Leo.
You saw Leo? I only heard Leo. Or did you tell them about the walls that are being packed by the
I saw they
woodpecker?
have been sleeping in it, if they have been using it, or directly demolished the inside. Not sure.
It's weird that they didn't take away the sand pile thingy.
Sand pile?
Yeah, the mountain there, still there.
From the neighbors.
Yeah.
We talk about the house that we stayed in.
Did you meet any of the neighbors?
No.
Well,
We met later.
the neighbors that we had contact with, they had all the curtains closed, so they might have been on holiday, but the cars were there.
And the place where I was sleeping with Sam and Jan was a window.
Oh, and there's a window here.
There's a new window there.
Yeah, and the wall, your wall that is on the street side, is full of holes.
Ja, nee. Ja, maar dit is de woodpecker. Woodpecker.
More holes.
Holes, yeah. The one hole they closed, and then now there are 5 or 6, well, 4 or 5 big ones and 3 small ones with the woodpecker. Well, yep.
But there was a little bird.
Oh,
Oh yeah.
don't cry.
So it's that now. But
Sure.
the meatball itself is not so wonderful. Next time we need to make our own.
But it is a fresh one, eh?
No, I like it. Yeah.
But I love it. When you have a meatball and you
Yes,
slice
you
it
got
up, and in between you will have
onions.
onions. They call it berenklauw.
Bear claw.
Bear claw. And it's very tasty. I
I
like
think bear claw, they also know it in English language or something. Because I'm pretty sure I heard about it.
About the food itself, that's called bear claw.
Yeah. Part
Prepare yet?
is the onions and the thing, yeah, maybe that's bear claw. Now, we hope you have enjoyed also this vlog.
Moriah was thinking. So, did you enjoy the vlog? Oh, Jedaiah.
I enjoyed being in the vlog.
I
Yeah?
enjoyed eating the vlog.
For being part of the vlog.
Part of this family. And I hope you enjoy being part of our viewers, our supporters,
Our tribe.
our gang. So if you want to join us in the tree hut, don't forget to
Like,
thumbs up.
Yes.
And just subscribe. on the
Yes,
button
you can do that
click,
here.
And
the
also
bell.
watch these videos.
Oh, here again. He did it also in another vlog.
and share.
Yes. Alright. See you in the next vlog.
See you next vlog.
And have a good sleep. We're gonna sleep in a little while. And the next vlog or the next vlog, you will see us in Germany. Yeah. Bye bye.